Do you want to know how to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name? Well, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. First of all, open your Instagram, and once you are here, click on search bar, and here you have to type place, like I'm going to type Mumbai. Now here you may have options on contact location, so you have to go on the location, or you can use hashtags, and here you can find out the location. For example, one of my friend is from Mumbai. I don't know his username, so I'll type Mumbai and go to a location mark or hashtag, and now you will get the pictures of profiles icons of many people. You just have to find them according to their timeline of the post, and once you find them, you're able to send the friend request or you can follow them. So this is how you can find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.